Hi, I'm Mark Stricker from Rush Creek Distilling.
My name is Todd Stricker with Rush Creek Distilling.
Hi, my name is Jeff McCarthy. I am the master distiller here at Rush Creek Distilling.
My name is Jay Nolan. I'm one of the owners and partners of Rush Creek Distilling.
4 guys walk into a bar and come out of the distillery. It wasn't quite that easy. It was about 3 years of planning, a year of construction, and permitting before we got this far.
You know, first and foremost, it's the epitome right here of relaxed atmosphere. The people, you know, the environment itself, and the local craftsmanship that has gone into this. Some of the foresight of, you know, trying to create the emotion to draw people to the brand. Everybody that you meet here that's associated with Rush Creek, they represent our brand well, and we're very, very proud to have them as part of the staff.
We did choose this area because of the water quality and the local grains that we can get. Between most of them they're locally grown, wheat, corn, and rye, and our malted barley comes across the state line into Wisconsin. So we're pretty proud of keeping things local and, you know, helping the local economy.